The Sri Sadguru Seva Sangh Trust is what brings people here. It has touched thousands of lives and changed millions of fortunes. It's broken new ground and paved new paths. It's wiped tears and brought smiles to those that need them the most.
हर सुविधाएं हैं, हर कुछ अच्छा है.
The story of the Sri Sadguru Seva Sangh Trust dates back to the early 1950s when Param Pujya Sri Ranchod Das Ji Maharaj organized free eye camps during natural calamities in central India. Gurudev, as he was fondly called by his disciples, was born into the royal priest family of the erstwhile kingdom of Gwalior. After his renunciation, he travelled the length and breadth of the country in search of truth and self-realization. It was faith that brought him to Chitrakoot, where legend says Lord Ram spent 11 years of his exile. But unlike for Lord Ram, destiny made Gurudev stay on the banks of the river Mandakini to formally initiate in 1968 the Sri Sadguru Seva Sangh Trust.
उनका तो एक ही था कि आपके पास कितनी भी संपत्ति हो, कितने भी साधन हो, आपको आनंद और संतोष तभी मिलेगा जब आप दूसरों की भलाई और सेवा का काम करेंगे.
Before Gurudev left for his heavenly abode in 1970, the chairmanship of the trust was entrusted to noted industrialist Arvind Bhai Mafatlal. He, along with his team, carried forward Gurudev's vision and made it their mission.
He had summed up this whole concept into 4 A's to establish the activities into 4 A's. An, Arogya, Akshar Gnan and Acharan.
अगर यदि उसको विजन को मिशन में कन्वर्ट करना और मिशन को नीचे तक ले जाएं तो हर व्यक्ति के साथ में आत्मानुशासन होना चाहिए, आत्मविश्वास होना चाहिए, आत्मत्याग होना चाहिए, तभी ये विजन और मिशन सफल हो सकते हैं.
I think there's an invisible hand, honestly, in the working of Sadguru, which is Gurudev himself. We are here just as custodians, and we are just doing our part and playing our role in a larger scheme of things. When our intent is right, the delivery mechanism follows.
Today, even more than 6 decades later, Gurudev's philosophy continues to be the driving force of the trust.
निमित्त कोई भी बन सकता है, कार्य करने वाले तो एक ही जन है, गुरुदेव है. वो उनकी क्या इच्छा है वो हम भी नहीं जानते, आप भी नहीं जानते.
Today, besides healthcare, the trust focuses on education, women's empowerment, dairy development and cattle care, agriculture and various social activities. In the 250-acre campus, eye care remains the prime focus. Every year, more than 500,000 people, mainly from the rural areas of central India, come to the Sadguru Netra Chikitsalaya in Chitrakoot.
काहे के लिए आए हैं आप?
आँख का ऑपरेशन है. हमने सुना कि यहाँ पर काम अच्छा होता है आँखों के बारे में.
The eye hospital is equipped to handle all eye-related cases ranging from cataract to glaucoma, from vitreoretina to oculoplasty. Here, more than 50 resident surgeons work out of 8 state-of-the-art operation theatres. The main rush is, of course, for cataract, where in some months the hospital has to cope with as many as 750 operations a day. In the year 2012, out of the 117,000 patients that the eye hospital operated upon, more than 100,000 were cataract patients. To handle the rush, ophthalmologists from all over India come here to lend a hand.
Every surgeon who is leaving from here after completing his fellowship or tenure, they become a very skillful and great surgeon.
The kind of job satisfaction which we get in Sadhguru is probably I'll not be getting anywhere else.
The work of the trust has spread far beyond Chitrakoot. We are on our way to Anandpur, about 120 kilometers from Bhopal.
गुरुदेव की ऐसी इच्छा थी कि इस इलाके में एक ऐसा अस्पताल बने जो गरीबों को मदद कर सके.
Established in 2004, the Sadhguru Sankalp Netra Chikitsalaya provides comprehensive eye care services at a place that is not so well connected to cities.
One of our greatest challenges is locational. Being located in interior, our eye patient comes from a radius of 200-250 kilometers.
फर्स्ट क्लास नंबर 1 नंबर व्यवस्था है यहाँ की.
इस तरह की सेवा आप प्राइवेट सेक्टर में नहीं मिलेगी.
In the year 2012, more than 30,000 cataract operations took place.
बहुत इत्मीनान के साथ ऑपरेशन हुआ है.
We offer surgery which can be compared to Bombay, Delhi, Bhopal and Indore.
So what draws people to both the eye hospitals in Chitrakoot and Anandpur?
जितने पेशेंट देखे जाते उसमें लगभग 45% पेशेंट ऐसे हैं जिनको हम फ्री सेवा करते हैं, जिनसे एक भी पैसा नहीं लेते हैं.
रेलवे में जैसे इंजन सबके लिए एक होता है, वैसे ही हमारा ऑपरेशन थिएटर सबके लिए एक होता है. रेलवे में जैसे ड्राइवर सबके लिए एक होता है, वैसे हमारा सर्जन भी सबके लिए एक होता है.
एवरी ईयर इतना ऑपरेशन होने के बाद भी एवरी ईयर ऑपरेशन नंबर ऑफ ऑपरेशन बढ़ते हैं. यही दर्शाता है कि ये एरिया में रियल सेवा हो रही है.
To cope with all the rush, the trust has large-scale facilities that can accommodate more than 2,000 beds, a mechanized laundry service that makes sure the linens are spick and span, and a roti making machine that can churn up to 4,000 rotis in an hour. But above all, it's the more than 500 volunteers who come every year is what gives the human touch to eye care.
जहाँ नए नए पेशेंट आते उसको गाइड करना, उसको दवा डालना, उसको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाना और जितना हो सके उतना सबको हेल्प करना.
In tackling the problem of childhood blindness, Orbis supported pediatric unit has treated over 30,000 children in Chitrakoot and over 5,000 in Anandpur. To reach out to underserved areas, both the eye hospitals have community ophthalmology departments. With the support of Help Me See and Seva Foundation, outreach camps are held now and then. And with more than 30 vision centers, the reach of the eye hospital has gone far and wide. Already, Chitrakoot and Anandpur together cater to the largest number of eye patients in rural India. And the day is not far when the eye hospital will become a center of excellence.
लोगों का कुछ एक ऐसा हो गया कि ये एक सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल है. अब हमको उसी स्तर पर उसको ले जाना है.
I want to see the patient satisfaction. I want to see the patient's smile. That is my biggest dream.
All the people actively involved in the trust are so emotionally attached with this trust, and everybody wants to do something for the trust as much as they can do.
We now move from eye care to general health care. In Anandpur, the Sri Sadhguru Sankalp Chikitsalaya is a general hospital with widespread facilities. In Chitrakoot, we have the Janki Kund Chikitsalaya that caters to the health needs of the nearby districts. Today, more than 3 decades later, it is one of the most modern multi-speciality hospitals of the region.
हमारे यहाँ अब्रॉड से भी डॉक्टर्स आते हैं, वो कैंप्स डिफरेंट कैंप्स करते हैं। पेशेंट्स को हम लोग डेट्स दे देते हैं कि पूरा ईयर का ये प्लान है, तो पेशेंट ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे आके वो फैसिलिटी ले लेता है।
फेथ और साइंस मिलकर पीड़ित मानवता की दुखों को कम कर सकते हैं, और उसमें अगर अनुभवी लोगों का ह्यूमन टच मिल जाए तो निश्चित रूप से मानवता के दुखों को कम करके हम समाज में खुशियाँ ला सकते हैं।
True enough, today the trust has gone even beyond faith, science and health to bring happiness. We are talking about education. The Sri Ram Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya that was started by Gurudev himself is still preserving tradition and one of the oldest languages of the world. Anandpur too follows the tradition. Then there is the Sangeet Vidyalaya in Chitrakoot, where Indian classical music is part of the core curriculum. In Anandpur, a primary and an intermediate school enrolls more than 650 students from the economically weaker sections of society.
सपना पुलिस लाइन में जाना है मुझे। हमेशा से सपना देखा है, हमारे बड़े पापा लोग भी मतलब सब पुलिस लाइन में हैं, तो मैंने भी सपना देखा है।
In Chitrakoot, at the Sadguru Vidya Dham, about 1,400 children study up to intermediate level. The Sadguru Public School, also the English medium school, has more than 900 students. Moving on to career-oriented options, the Sadguru Computer Institute offers bachelor's and postgraduate diplomas in computer applications. At the Sadguru Institute of Nursing and Paramedical Sciences, more than 300 students get theoretical and practical knowledge.
अगर हम ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में स्वास्थ्य और शिक्षा प्राप्त हो जाए और उनका सामाजिक आर्थिक उत्थान हो, तो हमारा ग्रामीण क्षेत्र का युवा शहर की ओर क्यों जाएगा?
Moving on to women's empowerment, women are given vocational training and hundreds get employment through self-help groups.
तो पैसे की आमदनी है हमारी।
ये घूमट लगा के बाहर नहीं निकल रही थी जो औरतें घर से, वो आके आज काफ़ी कुछ यहाँ ट्रेंड हो गई है।
Later, the products they make are retailed through a departmental store run by the Mahila Samiti.
Eradication of poverty is like a, Herculean task. It's a big ocean. So unless we remain focused, we cannot tackle all the issues. Idea is to create models which can be replicated.
In agriculture development, we see the fruits of labor have turned the campus into a green belt. In dairy development, both Chitrakoot and Anandpur have the best of crossbreeds. But what strikes a chord is the Gau Seva Kendra that houses up to 2,000 cows that villagers during peak summer months leave behind for care and shelter.
जितने भी लोगों को जो भी कार्य मिला है अपने पैर पे खड़े हैं और आत्मनिर्भर हो रहे हैं।
गुरुदेव की जय बोलो।
Today, everything about the trust has become synonymous with the word trust itself. Whether it's to do with Sant Seva or service to the sadhus or even feeding the poor, the trust has become an inseparable part of the local population.
1400 लोगों को यहाँ पर रोजगार मिला और अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से बाहर कई लोगों को रोजगार मिल गए, तो एक तरह से ये सोशल इंडस्ट्री टाइप का कार्य कर रही है और यह बताने का प्रयास किया है कि आई केयर के थ्रू ग्रामीण क्षेत्र का कैसे विकास हो सकता है।
it's really doing phenomenal work. It has done before me, it's going to do after me. This is a part of many countless individuals who are not recognized. So if we can continuously deliver to make sure that an individual avails of these necessities, I think we would do a good job.